This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here with you in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to go over a new strumming pattern, which is super fun, and then we're going to jam together on a chord progression using this strumming pattern. And when I say jam together, I mean you, me, and the band, as there is going to be bass and drums accompaniment for us to play along with, which is super fun. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to be on pages 93 and 94. This is strumming pattern number 9, found there on page 93. So we haven't done this one before in the lesson series. It's super fun. You'll see on the page that there's no little M, but we're going to treat each one of these rests like we're doing that slap mute that we've learned in a previous video. So we'll go slap up, and I'm just going to demonstrate this on an A chord, but we'll go slap up, slap up, slap up, slap up. This is a super fun one to get going. You can practice it at different tempos, but it's important to first do it nice and slow. So slap, up, slap, up, slap, up, slap, up. And then as you get used to it, you can try and get it going faster. I also think sometimes it's fun to just sort of strum the muted strings in a downward fashion. So use the palm to completely mute those strings, but also just do a sort of a slap strum at the same time, because that puts the pick in a position where you can do the up. So you can do that if you want to. Instead of just slap the strings, kind of have a downward strum over those muted strings at the same time. So it's as simple as that. We're going to do this with a chord progression that uses A, D, and E7. So you could practice it on each of those chords if you want to. But here in the video, we're just going to go ahead and jam together on this chord progression. So we're going to play chord progression number 11 from page 94. We'll insert the strumming pattern once per measure. We'll do it at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. It's going to be super fun. Let's go ahead and play it together. Okay, awesome! In the next video, we're going to take a look at another strumming pattern we haven't done before, which works for 4/4 time, and it's going to be super fun. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.